Good morning, 7th and 8th graders. Mr. Brennan here to explain your Real World Wednesday. Today we're going to be looking at pioneers in medicine. We filled out this form similar to this, so this should be familiar to you. You have a link right here that will take you to this website where you have a list of biographies of famous medical professionals and what they did. So you'll get to choose one of those, whichever one is the most interesting to you. And then you'll come back to this document. You'll put their name in this box, when they were born, when they died, where they were born, where they died. And we want you to find the one big thing or something big that your scientist did to change our understanding of the world, and then come up with 5 facts. You'll see this first button right here. This is where your instruction video is linked. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.